Welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an absolute classic, the 1970 Ford Escort MK1 RS. A car that helped define the performance scene in the 70s and remains a beloved icon to this day. Let's dive into its design, performance, and what you can expect if you're looking to own one today. Starting with the exterior, the MK1 RS is instantly recognizable with its sleek, compact body and distinctive rectangular grille. The flared wheel arches give it a sportier stance, while the simple yet aggressive lines reflect its rally heritage. The twin headlights and classic Ford badging bring a touch of nostalgia, reminding us why this car became such a motorsport legend. The RS models often came in vibrant colors, with stripes and decals emphasizing their performance pedigree. Moving inside, the interior is minimalist, with a driver-focused layout. You get a simple dashboard with clear, easy-to-read gauges, essential for drivers pushing the car to its limits back in the day. The seats offer decent support, especially considering the era, though comfort wasn't the main priority here. It's all about that mechanical, analog feel. No fancy tech, just pure driving experience. The thin-rimmed steering wheel and manual gear lever give you a direct connection to the road, something modern cars often lack. Under the hood, the 1970 Ford Escort MK1 RS typically came with a 1.6-liter Kent engine, producing around 120 horsepower in the 1,600 rupees variant. While that might not sound like much today, the lightweight body made it a lively performer. The rear-wheel drive setup and well-tuned suspension gave it fantastic handling, especially on twisty roads. It was a rally champion for a reason: agile, responsive, and just plain fun to drive. When it comes to prices, the market has seen significant growth over the years. A well-maintained MK1 RS can easily fetch anywhere from $40,000 to $70,000, depending on its condition and originality. Pristine, fully restored examples or rare models can go even higher, surpassing the $100,000 mark. Classic car enthusiasts and collectors alike continue to drive up demand. That's a wrap for today's review of the 1970 Ford Escort MK1 RS. A car that perfectly captures the spirit of classic performance driving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.